Hit the wrong button there. So let's see what 23 says. Bloop, 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 bloop. Okay, question number 23. Oh, all right. So this one says, determine the equation of the line described, and what they want us to do is write an equation of a line that passes through the point 5, comma, -3 and is perpendicular to the equation -8x minus 5y equals -25. Okay? So we need to find the slope first. That's the first step. So we need to find the slope of the original line. So does anybody understand what they're saying? This is a line on the graph. Okay? This is a line in the XY plane. And we are asked to write a line that is perpendicular, that will intersect this line at a 90-degree angle, but it has to pass through this point 5, -3. So before we can do anything, we need to find the slope of this line. Okay? That's my first task. So to do that, the best way to do that is to make this look like y equals mx plus b, and then m is the slope, right? So what I want to do is I'm going to add 8 to both sides. That will give me -5y is equal to positive 8x minus 25. All right, and just I probably should write out every step just in case somebody has questions. I get that from adding 8x to both sides. I'm going to toss the x term to the front because remember I want it to look like y equals mx plus b. So next I'm going to divide everything by -5. This will cancel and I say y is equal to 8 over -5x plus 5. Now this is the original line. So my slope of the original line is -8 over 5. But what do we know about perpendicular lines and slopes? Opposite and reciprocal, right? Flip and switch is what I always call it. So it's going to be 5 over 8, and since this one's negative, this one has to be positive. So I have a point and I have a slope. If there were only a form that I could use with the point and the slope. Oh, that's right, there's a point slope form, but we use Mr. Adams' modified point slope form, which is y equals m times the quantity x minus x sub 1 plus y sub 1. Right? In your textbooks they have the minus y sub 1 over here. We always have to move it over to the right, so I just memorized a different version. Well, this is my x sub 1, this is my y sub 1. We just plug and chug, right? We're going to plug all these numbers in here. 5 over 8 times the quantity x minus x sub 1, which is 5, plus -3. Distribute the 5 over 8 through the parentheses, and I get y is equal to 5/8 x minus 25 over 8 minus 3. Well, I have two constants, and I want to make them the same. So what I need to do is I need to have a common denominator. So this is really 3 over 1. If I use the common denominator of 8, I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by 8. So this becomes -24 over 8. So what do I have? Y is equal to 5/8 x minus 49 over 8. Was that one of our choices? I hope so. Yeah, B, right? No, not B. D. Let's see. Drum roll. Yep, correct. Good job. Yay. Shall we do another one? What's the next one you guys want to do?